So I was gonna go to my boyfriend's house, but he's sick. So me and Peyton are gonna go to the store and get some ice cream. So I guess I will take you with me. Let's go. Hey guys, so sorry about this really bad, like, there we go, that's better. Woo, this hair, girl. What is it? 79 degrees outside. I'm not hot, although I have the air on. I have the air on in my house. It's at 71, I think, like that. It's comfortable, but I think it's beautiful outside. I'm gonna bring Link for a walk later. He's dying to go for one. I was supposed to go to Chris's, but he's sick, so I'm just gonna stay home. The kids leave next weekend to go visit my mom for a couple of weeks in Illinois, so we'll just spend some time together this weekend with ice cream. Ice cream. I'm trying to do more of these vlog style type videos for you guys because I've got a lot of comments that people like them. So I'm going to record a little bit when we go into the store.
Then you'll get banned from Country Market.
I don't think that they would care. It's not like I got my camera. I got my phone. They don't know no better, right? Roll up the windows. I thought the car was still moving. My hair is so horrendous. That guy has a top hat on.
That's lit.
He's a leprechaun. All right, we're going in the dreaded aisle. I see things, I want to eat them, and then I can't eat them. Where are you going? I'm having a day where I really want to eat things I can't have. But I'm not. I'm going to find replacements. Find replacements. I'm mad this place doesn't have good pork rinds. No deals on Quest bars. I always want to look and I always look at bars. I always am like, what is this? But none of them are ever good. So I still haven't had the donut one, but they don't have that. This is a good one, and this is a good one. I'm gonna get these. Never, ever have the Slim Fast Reese's here, ever. They just have the drinks. Why? I'm looking for a snack attack. Yuck. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Hi.
Hey, welcome to the vlog. If you can't tell, I've been watching a lot of Fathering Autism. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I freaking love them. I love them so much. Anyways, I am headed back home. They didn't have as many flavors of Rebel as usual, so that was disappointing. My psoriasis is getting itchy. I need to put my medicine on it. Thanks to Barb. If this car would ever go. What was I gonna say? They didn't have a lot of flavors of the Rebel, so I got butter pecan, which was, I think, my second favorite flavor that they had. I've yet to try the strawberry, I think. I don't think I've tried strawberry. I think it's the only flavor I haven't had. Which is ironic because strawberry is my absolute favorite flavor. Oh my god, that face. I got some turkey necks for Link.
He's gonna be excited.
He's gonna be very excited. He loves turkey necks. He's a husky. He eats uncooked bones. Turkey necks is okay, not cooked, raw or frozen. It's okay for a husky to eat. They have a better digestive system than an average dog, although many average dogs also, people feed them that. I don't feed him raw all the time. On occasions, I will let him have raw.
It's probably like his second time having a turkey neck.
No, he's had many turkey necks.
How many?
I don't know.
SNAIL.
What else did we get?
Got those pop.
I got 2 bangs. I finally found the froze rose.
And you got a mystery thingy.
I got a mystery sparkling ice. I'm excited. I'll show you guys when we get inside. We roll up the windows.
Nice groceries, bro.
I mean, it wasn't a lot, but it's got some meat. All right,
Can't wait for it.
let's go. So this is what I got. They just had these on sale, the sparkling ice. Usually I get the generic kind, but this was intriguing. It says, what's the flavor? So it's a mystery, and you can enter to win a cruise. Woo! So I got kiwi, strawberry. It's pretty dark in here. I'm sorry. Kiwi, strawberry, coconut, pineapple. That's better. The mystery flavor, pomegranate, blueberry, and strawberry watermelon. I like mixing these with heavy whipping cream. They are amazing. Like I told you, I got the Rebel Butter Pecan. I got myself 2 Quest bars, double chocolate chunk. Come on. Double chocolate chunk and chocolate chip cookie dough. I got myself some Faye yogurt. Faye. I got Rainbow Unicorn, and then the Froze Rose that I have not seen yet, and I finally got it. Got Link some turkey necks. I got some steaks for tomorrow. The kids got these. They were 10 for $10. I got 2 avocados, 2 things of milk,